you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way.
So what's up, you guys? I'm Tay. I'm going to be doing a Amazon review on a lace front wig that I recently bought, and I feel like a lot of people always saying they buying cheap hair, and I feel like it's not cheap. Like, I mean cheap. When I say cheap, underneath $100 is cheap to me, because I'm a college student trying to make it. So I'm gonna open up this box and y'all just wish me luck. I swear, like, because if this wig ain't right, I'm be real upset, because I really had to spend my last dollar, man, and I'm be mad if this wig ain't right. Alright, this the wig. Okay, let's see how it looks. Alright, I'm trying to open up the back snacks just in case I'm lagging in the return. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. It's called Eayon hair. So it looks small to me. It looks small, but I don't know. You gotta see. Okay, so it came, when I open up the box, it comes with the clips. I'm guessing I gotta attach it then, and it also comes with the elastic band, and I feel like that comes in handy, because you don't know, you might get into some stuff and somebody try and pull your wig off, and I ain't got time for nobody to be trying to pull my wig off, so it better be secure. Okay. Hold on, I'm scared. Okay. Alright. It comes in a little net. Alright. Oh. It smells like hair. It don't stink. It smells like hair. It looked a little like it need another bundle or something, but I think the one that I ordered, it was 130% density, so I'm guessing I should have probably got the 150% density, because they have that option also. All right, it comes with the baby hairs. They already plucked the baby hairs, if y'all can see. Y'all see that? It already comes with the baby hairs. And they also have, so the clips that was in there is additional clips, so they do have clips sewn on in the inside. They already have the clips. They don't have the elastic band, and like I told y'all, gotta make sure it's snatched. But I want to put this on. I would probably, I'll probably bleach the knot. Me personally, I'll probably bleach them just a little bit or whatever, but it is a lace front wig. So once I put it on, I'm gonna put it on because my hair look a little messed up right now underneath this bonnet. But once I put it on, I'm gonna show everybody how it's going to look. Yes, please y'all, get into this wig. It ain't long, it's 18 inches, but guess what? My earring didn't fell out. It's twerk length. It ain't even laid down yet. It ain't even styled yet. What? Yes. I got hair in my nose. Oh yes, honey. Yes. Oh yes. Wait till I lay this bad boy down, down, down. Yeah, go down, down, down. And I could style it be that, or it could be this, or it could be that. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Get into this. Yes, I live. My life has been, like I said, it ain't. This is a cheap wig review, y'all. This is cheap. I wish I could find my earring, yo. Move her out the way. Move it. Yes, okay, come on, y'all. Come on, let me get it together. Let me get it together. Alright, I can't do this right here, so I'm gonna come right back. And it's gonna be styled. It's gonna be laid. I swear. I got my night clothes at the bottom. It don't matter though, cause my hair about to be slayed and laid. Alright, for real, I'm gone. Now look, y'all. Hold up. Let me get into this, baby. I don't know if y'all can see that now. I'm not good with baby bangs at all. Like, I don't know how to do baby bangs. No, at all. But look, don't look at that. But y'all, get into this. I didn't even do this. I don't know what that is, but I'm here for it. Like, it's alright. I didn't even lay this part down, y'all. Like, I threw this on my head so fast. Like, but I'm here for it, honey. I could go whichever way, like, whichever way. I could go to the back. I could go to the side. Yes, hold up. But I think I'll probably wear it to the side. I'll probably do a middle part probably in a couple of days. Probably tomorrow when I reapply it and do it the right way, how I'm supposed to do it or whatever. But hold on, let me see. Get everything to the front so I can show y'all how much is it. See, so it's not that much. But I like it though, because one, it was very affordable, very, very affordable. It doesn't shed like nothing. It doesn't shed. Look, once I lay it all the way down, it's gonna look really nice though, because I'm here for it or whatever. And I didn't even really like do a real flat iron on it. I went over it like one time. Like, I literally just went choo, 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 or whatever. I don't know what I did. I don't know how to do baby bangs, so let's just take that out or whatever. Okay, whatever that wants to do, yeah, whatever. But yes, that is it, you guys. Don't forget, like my page, subscribe to my channel, and let me know comments or anything, and I will have everything right down below, having everything, all the details that you will ever need to know about this wig, honey. Yes. Let me pose real quick. Yes, I'm here for it. I am here for this. Like, subscribe, come and let me know if you guys want me to do more. Let me know, and I will start doing more hair review videos, and I will also give you guys a 1 month update. See you guys later.